with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering negativity.
Meet the Realme Neo 7 Turbo, a phone that's bold in design, packed with power, and rocking a battery so big you might never need a power bank again. From a stunning transparent gray finish with a tech-inspired back to a flagship-grade display and a 7200 mAh battery that just refuses to quit, this device is here to impress. But does it live up to the hype in real-world gaming, performance, and camera use? And most importantly, is it worth your money? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly who this phone is for and whether it should be your next daily driver. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. This is the Realme Neo 7 Turbo in its striking transparent gray finish, a color rarely seen in smartphone design today. Look closely and you'll notice unique design elements, exposed screws on all four corners, engraved textures near the motherboard and battery area, and a sleek integrated logo that adds a refined touch. The top half reveals more engineering details, including the NFC coil beside the camera module. The silver-green accent blends beautifully with the tech gray back, giving the phone a bold, almost soulful character. It's a design clearly inspired by the mind of an engineer. Subtle, smart, and creative. Though the back isn't made of glass, the high-quality plastic feels surprisingly premium. The mid-frame, also plastic, mimics metal with a durable, electroplated texture. It all feels solid in hand, and if priced right, the materials won't be a deal-breaker. The display on the Realme Neo 7 Turbo is a standout feature. It boasts a sharp 1.5K resolution, 1000 nits peak manual brightness, and uses Q10 material, putting it in line with flagship-level screens. The 144Hz refresh rate, excellent haptics, and high screen-to-body ratio on this flat panel deliver an immersive and premium viewing experience, both indoors and out. What do you think of the display? This video is just our first impression. Stay tuned for the detailed review coming soon. Make sure to subscribe and join our tech community to catch it first. The Realme Neo 7 Turbo is powered by the Dimensity 19400E, featuring a 4+4 architecture with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, peaking at 3.4 GHz. Performance-wise, it delivers strong numbers. 2.27 million on Antutu, 278 single-core, and 7 and 427 multi-core on Geekbench 6, showcasing impressive multi-core capability for its class. In gaming tests, the Dimensity 9400E handled Genshin Impact in Sumeru City at a near-perfect 59.9 FPS, delivering smooth, full-frame performance. This chip clearly stands out, offering flagship-level power that outperforms many conventional mid-range processors. It's a truly capable and well-optimized SoC. The Realme Neo 7 Turbo packs a massive 7200 mAh battery, an absolute powerhouse. Even after 2 hours of heavy use, it still had 91% remaining. With this kind of endurance, a power bank feels completely unnecessary. There's not much to highlight about the camera. It delivers decent results, especially with some editing. The overall image quality aligns with Realme's flagship tone, though it lacks a telephoto lens, which is expected at this price point. So the real question is, who is this phone made for, and how does the price fit in? The base variant of the Realme Neo 7 Turbo is priced at 1,999 Yuan in China, which roughly converts to £206 in the UK or $277 in the US. So that was the Realme Neo 7 Turbo, a phone with bold looks, flagship-level display, powerful performance, and a battery that's nothing short of insane. Sure, the camera setup is basic and lacks a telephoto lens, but for what it offers at this price, it's a seriously compelling package. If you're a power user, a mobile gamer, or just someone who wants great battery life without breaking the bank, this phone could be a perfect fit. Let me know what you think of the Neo 7 Turbo down in the comments. Would you pick it over other mid-range options? And hey, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next big tech unboxing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.